What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the truck. Now, I don't know if y'all seen the last video, but in the last video we talked about everything that was put together on the truck and what was used and all that. And then also we talked about the harness that I'll be swapping out. Well, today we'll be swapping this harness out and getting that in and seeing if that will help the truck start and run. Because right now, like I said in the last video, if you haven't watched the last video, go watch the last video now so you know what's going on in this video. So in the last video, I was talking about that I got the V6 harness, and that's what's in the body of the truck now, and it has a GMC Denali dash, basically. So got a base model harness with higher class dash, and this came out of a higher class Tahoe 2019. So I'm hoping that that's my issue, because in this plug over here, there is a couple extra wires pinned into this plug, which goes to the ECU and goes to the trans and engine harness. So that's going back to the dash underneath to the junction box. So if that's my issue, because we're getting no signal on the dash indicator light for the transmission, so it's not indicating it's in neutral park or drive. So we're gonna try to swap this out, get this going into there, and see if that's our problem, so we can get the truck running and driving and on the road. All right, so now we're on the GoPro. So here's the harness. We're gonna start taking this off the hood. Put this aside. Get this hood popped. Set this aside. Set this aside. Control module. I know there's a lot going on right here, but I put it together so I kind of know what's going on. Put the cap. Yeah, alright. So those are that. This goes to. And this. Alright. Working on this thing for I don't know how long. Trying to figure this out. Let's see. I know fuel pump now. Like I said, guys, if you want to see more of this truck, subscribe to the channel. You'll see a lot more of this truck, a lot more videos come out. I think that's it. So this is how we power our seats on, just because these seats are just temporary. Positive, negative. So boats pretty well.
A few moments later.
The reason I'm taking the seats out is to get the carpet out, because all the body harnesses underneath all the carpet.
One eternity later.
Wrong with everything else. Bruh. Should be a 15. Oh yeah, so guys, this is the factory bracket from the 1516 dash, and it fit perfect. It's crazy. Like bolts in directly perfect. We're going to try to put this airbag control module in there because I didn't realize I didn't have one. See if that does anything. Nope. Let's try something else. Nope. Alright. Man. Pull this all aside. I'm not going to technically unhook all this right this second. Let's see if it all works first. Leave that right. And downfall, this one is all cut up. Somebody went and stole the seat, took the seats out of it, cut the harness to it too. So I'm hoping there's no issues. As long as that light shows and I know I'm going in the right direction, showing like what gear it's in. If it does, then we'll figure out the rest. Something else is not working. Boom, boom. Let's get this in here. That's plugged up. It's plugged. Everything seems to be hooked up. Moment of truth. First, let's see if anything's touching. Can't have that touching. Can't have this touching. Let's go outside. All right. Now we get no power. Ah, duh. I want truth. Still nothing. We're gonna try to hook that steering rack up, see if that give that power, because I know there's a communication that goes through there. So we'll try that, because I got it plugged up, I ain't got it powered on, so that might be an issue. Try this again. And nope. Alright guys, well, unfortunately the harness did not work as you've seen. So we're gonna call it a day on working on it, and we're probably just gonna order a standalone harness so I'll just be done with it so I can get the truck running and driving, and I'll eventually figure out everything later. It sucks because I really want this thing to be fully functional like it should be from, 2016, if the whole truck was a 2016. But unfortunately, it just does not want to cooperate with me, and I really want to drive the truck. I want to get it all tied together and running and driving so I can, beat around on it, daily it, and have fun with it. So that's a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and check out my other video on the truck, and drop a comment what you'd like to see next on it. But other than that, we'll be making more videos here and there on fixing a few things, building intake and stuff for it. So don't miss that. Stay up to date, hit that bell for notifications. Like I said, subscribe so you'll see the videos whenever they drop. So without further ado, catch you in the next one.